Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a PDF file in Outlook email body. Okay, first step is to open up a web browser, go to outlook.live.com and sign into your account. From here, go ahead and click onto new mail. Now, once you've got the new mail message pop up, now from here on the top of the page, we got different tabs. Click on the insert tab. Now below that, we've got attach file, click onto that. And now I want to browse your computer for that file, that PDF file. So I've got it in my download section here. So here it is. I'm going to use this business proposal presentation. Now you might get this pop up where it says, how do you want to share this file? So because it's a large file, we can go ahead and upload and share as OneDrive, a personal link. Or if your size is smaller, go ahead and click on the smaller one. Now, because this is small, it is only 37 kilobytes in size. It's going to embed into the body of the message here. And now put in your to and add subject, then go ahead and click onto send. That's the easiest way to embed a PDF file in Outlook email.